At one time, in this closet with insufficient service access, at one time this was the main load center, and it looks like it's been completely bypassed. Except for this one junction right here, makes it a junction box. But even that circuit breaker, it's not serving any purpose. So, yeah, we got paint inside of it, I guess, but you know. These wires are touching the panel cover, I guess, you know. But you see up here, there's some kind of nesting going on in the attic or in the wall. It's coming down here and causing this. And this tells me two things. One, this used to be the main load center, or a load center. It doesn't really look like there's ever that much attached to it. Two breakers here, a couple breakers up there. So we still got a mystery. The mystery is that this is an aluminum home, but we got copper at the load center, and even at this unusual little junction box. This is a junction box. The cover shouldn't open like this. But what I'm not finding is a junction box for all the aluminum circuits inside the house. By the time they get outside of the house, it's copper, and you shouldn't cover up a junction box. So I don't know what's going on there exactly. Okay, representative sample, that's what we do. And so I come over here. I mean, you probably want an electrician to go through this anyway. I mean, I'm going to recommend it anytime it's involving aluminum. This is called pigtailing, and these Kings are rated for aluminum pigtailing, UL listed, which is kind of a conflict because the Consumer Protection Services doesn't consider pigtailing to be a proper solution, which is kind of a conflict because the Texas Real Estate Commission and the most insurance companies consider pigtailing to be a proper solution. So we go full circle, you know, who considers that it's acceptable, who doesn't. But this type of pigtailing is generally considered in the general population. It's a nice solution. A nice solution. I think King's is called Alumicon. Okay, they're different brands. Those little boxes. It's kind of interesting. So we come on along here. We still got the aluminum thing going, and we get the wall switch. And look at that. Our pigtailing isn't done right. Where'd you go? I lost a screw. I got more screws in the. I'll find you. If I don't, I guess I'm in the car. Oh, it's no good. The grounding wire has been disconnected. Look at that. We got any aluminum in there? Any antioxidant in there? No, it's the wrong kind of wire nut. That's copper to copper. Actually, that is the right kind of wire nut if it's copper to copper. Oh, there's the pigtailing way back there with the red. Okay. So, my story stays the same. Good home inspection. Hey, how you doing?